When most people imagine Switzerland, they picture famous mountain peaks, luxury ski resorts, and postcard-perfect towns that have appeared on countless travel brochures. Yet beyond these iconic destinations lies another Switzerland, one of quiet valleys, timeless villages, and breathtaking landscapes that many visitors never experience. While millions arrive each year to see places like Zermatt, Interlaken, and Lucerne, much of the country remains remarkably peaceful. Venture beyond the busiest tourist routes, and you'll discover communities where traditional alpine life continues much as it has for generations, surrounded by scenery every bit as spectacular as Switzerland's famous landmarks. One of the country's hidden treasures is the Emmental region, a landscape of rolling green hills, wooden farmhouses, and gentle valleys that inspired many people's image of the Swiss countryside. Here, winding country roads pass through quiet villages where dairy farming, craftsmanship, and local traditions remain central to everyday life. Unlike the dramatic peaks that dominate Switzerland's tourism campaigns, the Emmental offers a gentler beauty. Morning mist drifts across open pastures, church bells echo through peaceful valleys, and panoramic viewpoints reveal a landscape shaped by centuries of careful stewardship rather than large-scale development. Further east lies the charming region of Appenzell, where Switzerland's cultural heritage remains remarkably visible. Colorful wooden houses, flower-filled balconies, and beautifully maintained streets create villages that feel both welcoming and deeply connected to the country's alpine traditions. Walking through Appenzell reveals a slower rhythm of life. Local cafes, family-run businesses, and traditional markets reflect a community that continues to celebrate customs passed down through generations, giving visitors an authentic glimpse into Swiss culture beyond the major tourist centers. Another remarkable destination is the Lavaux Vineyard Terraces, stretching above the shores of Lake Geneva. Carefully sculpted into the hillsides over hundreds of years, these UNESCO-listed vineyards create one of Switzerland's most beautiful cultural landscapes, where rows of vines overlook sparkling water and distant alpine peaks. The scenery changes throughout the day as sunlight moves across the terraces and the lake reflects the surrounding mountains. It's a place where nature and human craftsmanship exist in perfect harmony, rewarding travelers who choose to slow down and simply absorb the landscape. Switzerland is also home to countless lesser-known lakes that rarely appear on international travel itineraries. Away from the busiest destinations, crystal-clear water, quiet walking trails, and peaceful lakeside villages offer moments of calm that many visitors never realize exist. These quieter locations reveal another side of Switzerland. Instead of crowded viewpoints and busy tour groups, travelers often find empty benches overlooking mountain reflections, gentle hiking paths through forests, and villages where daily life unfolds at an unhurried pace. Perhaps the greatest surprise is how easily these places can be reached. Switzerland's outstanding rail and public transport network connects even remote communities, making it possible to explore hidden regions without hiring a car while enjoying some of the world's most scenic journeys along the way. Traveling through these lesser-known areas also reveals how diverse Switzerland truly is. Each region has developed its own traditions, architecture, cuisine, and local identity, creating a rich cultural mosaic that extends far beyond the country's famous postcard images. Rather than rushing from one iconic attraction to the next, many experienced travelers discover that Switzerland becomes even more rewarding when they allow time for unexpected discoveries. A quiet village square, a mountain cafe with panoramic views, or a peaceful walking trail can leave memories every bit as lasting as the country's best-known destinations. For those willing to look beyond the guidebooks, the real Switzerland is found not only in its spectacular scenery, but also in the communities that continue to preserve its traditions, landscapes, and way of life with quiet pride. Yet the landscapes are only part of the story. Beyond the mountain views and historic villages lies a culture shaped by centuries of independence, craftsmanship, and alpine traditions. Experiences that reveal why the Switzerland most tourists miss is often the Switzerland they remember the longest. Beyond Switzerland's spectacular scenery lies something that many visitors never fully experience. The country's greatest treasures are often found in its traditions, its mountain communities, and the quiet way of life that has been carefully preserved across generations. In many alpine villages, daily life still follows rhythms shaped by the changing seasons rather than crowded tourist schedules. Farmers continue to work mountain pastures, local markets remain important gathering places, and centuries-old customs are celebrated with genuine pride rather than staged for visitors. One of the most rewarding ways to discover this quieter Switzerland is by traveling on the country's regional railways. While famous panoramic trains attract global attention, countless local routes wind through hidden valleys, lakeside villages, and mountain landscapes that are every bit as breathtaking, often with far fewer passengers. The journey itself becomes part of the experience. Every curve reveals another alpine meadow, peaceful village, or crystal-clear lake, encouraging travelers to slow down and appreciate the remarkable scenery unfolding beyond the windows. Switzerland's mountain passes also reveal landscapes that many international visitors never reach. During the warmer months, these winding roads climb through dramatic valleys, past waterfalls and alpine lakes, before opening onto breathtaking viewpoints where the scale of the surrounding mountains becomes truly apparent. Away from the country's largest cities, historic towns quietly preserve centuries of Swiss history. Cobbled streets, medieval architecture, beautifully maintained public squares, and traditional buildings create places where the past remains woven into everyday life rather than simply displayed as an attraction. Food provides another window into Switzerland's regional identity. While fondue and chocolate are internationally famous, every region has developed its own specialities using local ingredients, reflecting generations of farming traditions and the remarkable diversity found across this relatively small country. Local bakeries, family-run restaurants, and village cafes often deliver some of the most memorable dining experiences. Seasonal produce, regional cheeses, freshly baked bread, and traditional recipes create simple meals that reflect both the landscape and the communities that call it home. Choosing the right season can transform the entire journey. Spring fills valleys with wildflowers, summer opens high mountain trails, autumn paints forests and vineyards with rich color, while winter blankets villages beneath snow, creating a peaceful atmosphere that feels almost timeless. Perhaps the greatest luxury Switzerland offers is the opportunity to slow down. Rather than trying to visit every famous landmark, spending more time in fewer places allows travelers to experience the country's quieter rhythms and discover moments that rarely appear in travel itineraries. This slower approach often leads to unexpected discoveries. A conversation with a local resident, a peaceful lakeside walk at sunrise, or an afternoon spent watching clouds drift across the mountains can become the experiences remembered long after the journey has ended. Switzerland also rewards curiosity. Leaving the main tourist routes often reveals hidden viewpoints, quiet hiking trails, traditional festivals, and small communities that continue to preserve customs that have shaped alpine life for centuries. As more travelers search for meaningful experiences rather than crowded attractions, these quieter corners of Switzerland are becoming increasingly appreciated. They offer not only extraordinary scenery but also a deeper understanding of the people, traditions, and landscapes that define the country beyond its famous postcards. Ultimately, the real Switzerland isn't limited to its world-famous mountains or iconic destinations. It lives in peaceful valleys, welcoming villages, timeless traditions, and the quiet moments that remind us why travel is about far more than simply checking famous places off a list. For those willing to explore beyond the familiar, Switzerland reveals a side that feels authentic, welcoming, and wonderfully unhurried. It is a country where spectacular landscapes meet enduring traditions, proving that the places most tourists miss are often the ones that leave the deepest and most lasting impression.